Hello everyone, Roshan Drives here, and in this video we will be learning how to release the clutch properly. So if you don't know how to release the clutch properly, then you will never be able to control the clutch perfectly. And if you are not able to control the clutch perfectly, then you will never get that smooth driving experience while driving a manual car. Either you'll be shifting the gears or you need to move your car from standing still position. If you know how to release the clutch properly, then it will be a lot easier to drive a manual car. So in this video we will be learning the same. We will be learning how to press the clutch as well as how to release the clutch perfectly. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So guys, first let's learn how to press the clutch. So there is no any hard and fast rule on how to press the clutch. Make sure that you press the clutch all the way down, whichever way you feel easier, but make sure that you press the clutch all the way down. Never try to shift the gear by pressing the clutch half like this and try to shift the gear. If you do so, the gear won't slot in position, and that's not good for your gearbox as well. So make sure that you press the clutch all the way down. Now the main thing here is how you release the clutch. If you don't know how to release the clutch properly, then you will never get that smooth driving experience and you will never have proper control over the clutch. So while releasing the clutch, never release the clutch like this. If you release the clutch like this, then you will never get the full control over the clutch and you won't have that perfect clutch control. So now let's learn how to release the clutch. Press the clutch all the way down, and if your car's biting point is lower down, then you simply press the clutch all the way down and you rest your heel on the floor like this and make your heel as a pivot point and slowly release the portion of your feet like this. If you release the clutch like this, then you will have perfect control over the clutch. But if your car biting point is off, then what you do is you press the clutch and release the clutch little bit like this. Okay, slowly release the clutch little bit like this, and then you rest your heel on the floor and move your toe portion up like this, making the heel as a pivot point like this. Okay, this is the perfect way of how to release the clutch. Let me show you once again. Press the clutch all the way down. If your clutch biting point is on the lower side or in the middle, then you simply rest your heel on the floor and making your heel as a pivot point, slowly release the toe portion of your feet up like this. Make your heel as a pivot point. Okay, and if your car's biting point is up and you rest your heel on the floor, when you press the clutch all the way down, then it may be a little bit more difficult. So if your car's biting point is up, slightly release the clutch and only then you rest your heel on the floor and making your heel as a pivot point, release the top portion of your feet up slowly like this. So this is how you release the clutch perfectly. So if you release the clutch like this, then you will get full control over the clutch and it will be a lot easier to drive a manual car. And when you have to release the clutch very slowly, you will get full control over the clutch. So this is how you release the clutch perfectly. So this was all for today's video. Hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like the video, and if you guys are new here, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Drive safe and take care.